Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn about access modifiers in Java. Access modifiers are keywords used to control the visibility and accessibility of classes, methods, and fields within a Java program. There are four main access modifiers in Java: public, private, protected, and default. But before we start learning about them, I'll move this class to a new file in order to understand these access modifiers. So I'll cut it and create a new Java class, and I'll name it as car. In this way, we can create a class. You can see here inside this package, this is the package, it's the icon of the package called com.mastercoding.lib. I have two classes, car and my class. I'll paste the car class here. I'll start with the public access modifier. Public access modifier: when a class, method, or field is marked as public, it can be accessed from any other class or package in the Java application. So for example, if I mark public and the class, you can see that it is marked by public. So if I go to my class here, I can create an object from this car. So here, car, red car equal new car. I am creating an object from it, so I am accessing it. Okay, so it's visible to me. Let's try to create a package, a different package, and see how we can access the public classes in the different package. In order to create another package, here we have the package com.mastercoding.lib. I'll go to Java folder, create new package, and here I'll name the package as test, another pack. And inside this another pack, I'll create a new Java class named as test. Till now, I have two packages, com.mastercoding.lib and another package. And I have three classes, two in the com.mastercoding.lib, and the test is placed inside another package. I'll try to access the car. So inside here, I'll create a void just testing. This is the method. I'll create a car, yellow car equal to new car, and I'll type 70 with 2024. Please guys, pay attention. Here you can see I can access the car because it's marked as public, and car is placed in different package. And in order to access it, I need to import the package called com.mastercoding.lib. In order to import it, just hover here and click Alt plus Enter. Import class, and you can see I have imported the package before, and then I imported the class. This is how we can create or access the classes in the public access modifiers with a different package. Let's move to the second access modifier, private. When a class, method, or field is marked as private, it can only be accessed within the same class. It's not visible to any other class or package. If I go to the class car and mark the year here as private, if I go to test, for example, or I can go to the same package first, my class, then we'll move to the test, red car dot, and you can see I can access brake, speed, and accelerate only. The year attribute is disappearing because we marked it as private. So it's not accessible by the class even in the same package. If I go to the test and try with the yellow car, of course I can't access the year. Protected. When a class, method, or field is marked as protected, it can be accessed by classes within the same package and also by subclasses. So for example, let's go to the car and mark the speed by protected. I'll go to the my class and try to access red car dot, and you can see I can access speed. You can see I'm accessing speed. Okay, and I can set it as 90. But if I go to the test class, which is in the different package, and try to access the speed, I cannot access speed equal to, for example, 80, because speed is protected in the car class. So protected, you can access it by classes within the same package. And the last type of access modifiers is default or package private. If no access modifier is specified, it's considered as default access level. A class, method, or field with default access can be accessed only by classes within the same package. So for example, here we have accelerate. I didn't specify here private or public or protected. So let's try to access this accelerate method. Let's start with my class, which is in the same package. Here I'll access red car dot accelerate. I can accelerate. If I go to the test class and try to access accelerate, I have an error because I didn't mark it as public. It's default. So I can't access it from different package. Remember that access modifiers play a crucial role in encapsulation and defining the visibility of various components of your Java program. By using the appropriate access modifiers, you can control the access levels and protect sensitive data and methods from unauthorized access.